Welcome to Certaldo is our favorite sightseeing tour, not Timko? A hidden gem just 40 minutes away from Florence. This enchanting medieval hamlet is where cars cannot drive, but dogs are always welcome. And guess what? Certaldo is a cat town. That's right, cats roam freely here, adding to its charm. Let's dive into the wonders of Certaldo, where history, culture and cuisine blend seamlessly. Certaldo is a beautiful red brick town, perfect for a day trip. I recommend coming for lunch and then doing some sightseeing. The museum, which all allow dogs, open at 14:30. Make sure to get a museum card for the Boccaccio house and Palazzo Pretorio. Our first stop is the delightful bar Boccaccio, run by 4 siblings who serve up authentic Tuscan cuisine that will make your taste buds dance. From hearty pasta dishes to mouth-watering meats, this place is a must visit. I have eaten coniglio in salsa di vernaccia e safrano, rabbit in vernaccia sauce and saffron. Simple and delicious. Did you ever wonder which charming Tuscan town close by is famous for its vernaccia wine and saffron? After a simply delicious meal, it's time to walk off those calories. Let's head up to the majestic Palazzo Pretorio, the seat of the former vicar. The Vicariate of Valdelsa was established to exercise full political and judicial power of the Florentine state over the territory. The vicar, chosen from the most prominent Florentine families, served for 6 months. The vicar's arms were reproduced in ceramic, fresco, or stone and placed both inside and outside the walls. You can still read the names. This place is not only steeped in history, but also hosts modern art exhibitions. The contrast between contemporary art and ancient frescoes is simply beautiful. Who knew medieval walls could look so good with a splash of modern art? Now, let's take a break and enjoy a perfect espresso at Rossa Cipolla. Can you guess for which town the red onion is a symbol? This quaint shop offers authentic artisan foods like cheese, limoncello and more. Don't forget to try the specialty, the red fresh onion marmalade. You can guess it. It is the symbol for Certaldo around here. Our final stop is Casa Boccaccio. Step into the world of Giovanni Boccaccio, the inventor of the romantic love story. Boccaccio's most famous work is the Decameron. Picture this. It's the year 1348 in Florence, Italy. And the plague is wreaking havoc. But amidst the chaos, 10 wealthy young people decide to abandon the city for a luxurious country retreat. Sounds like a medieval reality show, right? Once safely tucked away in the countryside haven, these young nobles attempt to banish their sorrows by communing with nature, singing, dancing, and telling stories. And not just any stories, in all, 100 captivating tales unfold over the course of 10 days. Imagine a mix of Love Island and the Canterbury Tales, but with more medieval flair and fewer camera crews. Keep in mind how devastating the plague or pest was for people just exiting the Middle Ages. Half of the population died, shaking their faith and certainty that God was present. The plague didn't discriminate, it affected everyone from paupers to princes. Boccaccio's story didn't just serve as a distraction. They were provocatively entertaining and often downright scandalous. We are talking tales that challenge societal norms and values, filled with humor, wit, and yes, a fair bit of eroticism. Boccaccio knew how to push the boundaries. Imagine sitting around a lavish feast, hearing stories that range from the hilarious to the risky. From clever trickster and cunning lovers to tales of moral dilemmas and divine justice. The Decameron has it all. One of my personal favorites is the story of the mischievous friar who tricks a gullible woman into some rather unconventional confessions. It's like reading a medieval comedy script. Each day, one of the 10 storytellers, Obrigata, is crowned as the king or queen of the day, dictating the theme of the stories. This structure not only keeps the tales diverse, but also gives us a fascinating peek into the social and cultural dynamics of the time. So, what makes the Decameron so enduring? It's not just the storytelling genius of Boccaccio, but also how these tales reflect the human condition, our fears desires, and a timeless quest for love and happiness. Before we wrap up, don't blink or you might miss the big reveal of the famous artist Andrea Castagno. The three titans of the Italian literature, Dante, Petrarca, and Boccaccio. Can you guess who is who? These literary giants are the foundation of Italian language and literature, and the view from the top of the Casa Boccaccio is simply breathtaking. Certaldo is not just a town, it's a journey through time, taste and art. Family and dog friendly. So next time you're in Tuscany, make sure to visit Certaldo, where history meets charm at every corner.